So this time I will be painting the wall. It's the first time I am doing this. By the way, this time I have tried something new, so do appreciate it by subscribing the channel and as well as liking the video. So here I am doing the base color, which is deep orange, and by the way I used oil paints for it, normal oil paints which we get in store. Then deep orange, full background is done with deep orange because I am trying to achieve a sunset view on my wall because it looks great, and it's a long video, that's why I have done it in two parts, so stay tuned for all the parts. Here I am drawing some clouds for the sky. For this I am using orange mixed with deep red, means deep orange mixed with deep red, so that I can get that contrast in that, and it's just light circular hand movements which will get you the clouds. The clouds will get smaller as we come closer to the horizon, means the part where the sky will end and the sea will start. Yes, I am doing a sea too, and here I will be using a dark purple which almost looks like a black. I don't know how did I mixed it, but yes, it looks like a black. And from starting I am doing this black, then dark blue, and then my favorite gray. The part of the sea which is far away looks darker, then it comes slowly in the lighter shades, and the wave which I am going to show now will be in the much lighter shade, which is gray. I don't know why in the camera it's looking a bit dark, but I will fix it in the next part when I will be doing the detailing. So here is the full video of the first part, and you can try this at the home too with your walls, but do try first on the paper canvas and then on the wall, because it took me a lot of time and lot of effort to just do the base coat. It's really tough to do on walls, but I did enjoy the process because it's something new. I will surely put a reference pic at the end, as well as you can go and see the reference pic on my Instagram page, which is abhi_k_arts, and also it will be appearing on the end screen as well as here too. So here I am doing just cross brush strokes to make it look like a wave. I did it much better in the next part, so you have to stay tuned for that part. Don't leave it, wait for it.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's